Hello, JR here. BONK went from internet chaos to billions in trading volume almost overnight. But behind the memes is a rapidly expanding ecosystem tied directly to Solana, community incentives, and one of crypto's fastest moving retail narratives. All my videos are for entertainment or educational purposes only. The question is BONK just another meme cycle or the blueprint for the next generation of community-powered token? Hey, something else for you. Want to course it in digital marketing, content creation, or business? Head to startyourcourse.com. Expert lead courses for under $30. Buy once, download, keep forever, and learn anytime. Start your success today. All right, quick overview. Let's see here. If we could browse, most of the courses are under $30. You could make a search, for instance, I would say Facebook, and gives you every course they have about Facebook. Same thing for YouTube. If you type Google and business and so forth, startyourcourse.com. Let's break it down. As you know already, gotta give you a quick update about the crypto market. Check out the total market cap and all that good stuff. Total market cap for today is $2.67 trillion. The market is up by 1.5%. 24 hours value is $64.05 billion. BTC dominates the market by 58.2% and ETH 9.61%. Bitcoin is currently trading $77,547. 24 hours is up by 1.7%. 7 day is up by 1%. 24 hours value is $22.9 billion and total market cap is $1.6 trillion. Ethereum currently trading $2,123. 24 hours is up by 1.5%. 7 day is down by 0.1%. 24 hours value is $9.8 billion and total market cap is $256.7 billion. XRP currently trading $1.36. 24 hours is up by 0.8%. 7 day is down by 1.1%. 24 hours value is $1.3 billion and total market cap is $84.12 billion. So currently trading $86. 24 hours is up by 1%. 7 day is up by 2.8%. 24 hours value is $2.3 billion and total market cap is $49.9 billion. All right, as you could see in the past 24 hours, the market is up, is all green, and 7 days, most everything is green, almost up. That's it for market updates. BONK is currently trading $0.5061. Total market cap is $539.81 million. It's up in the past 24 hours by 2.3%. 24 hours value is $36.8 million, up by 6.46%. Market value is 6.82%. Max supply 89 trillion and secondary supply 88 trillion. We got their website, white paper, X, and is on Solana network. Let's look at the 10-minute chart. May 24, BONK was still trading $0.6061. It went down to $0.5058. Went up a little bit here to $0.5059 and kept climbing up to $0.5061. Went down, went right back up. Since then, it's been trading around $0.5061. That's the current price. Let's click on market. Here we got Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Qcoin, Kraken, and Crypto.com X page. Total followers for BONK 449.3 thousand. Let's see the last time they posted 8/24 and May 22nd. Yeah, pretty active on Twitter. News, BONK fund website hijack. Oh, that's not good. Price performance past 24 hours. Low $0.5059. High $0.5061. All-time high 2 years ago $0.4059 and went down by 89.65%. All-time low about 3 years ago $0.7019 and went up by 6,557.41%. Yeah, this is it for BONK. Okay, BONK may have started as a meme, but the market is treating it like a serious force. The real question now is whether the ecosystem can keep delivering after the hype fades. All my videos are for entertainment or educational purposes only. Please continue to subscribe for more deep dives into crypto narratives. And I'll catch you in the next analysis. Bye bye.